Hello, my name is Sandra Liliana Muñoz. I am 47 years old. I am married. I work in a bank. My family is composed of my husband is Mauricio, my daughter is Sarah, my son is Andres. They are students. Um, my birthplace is Armenia City. I live in Armenia City. Um, my personality is calm, is quiet. I am happy person. I like read, I like swimming, I like play basketball. I am cooking. My daily routine is in the morning, 5 a.m. I prepare breakfast for my family. Then I go to the bank until 6 p.m. Then I go to the home. My in the night I am study until 11 p.m. I go to the bed. And thank you.